Hey guys, so welcome to the last day of the uh, graphic designing training. So this one was a basic one, ठीक है, and today we'll be covering this poster, ठीक है. In the meantime, the kind of psychology that we must have from the tutorial, I'll be explaining that with you alongside, ठीक है. And in the meantime, we'll try कि एक बार हम वो भी cover कर ले कि what all can be made using uh, I mean the थिंग्स दैट आर इन्वॉल्व इन ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग. ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि यू हैव नॉट मेड एनीथिंग सो फार. ठीक है, जो हमने लिस्ट निकाली है चीज़ों की, वी विल ट्राई टू मेक देम अगेन एंड अगेन. ठीक है, कीप सबमिटिंग इन टू मी ऑन पर्सनल चैट so that I can evaluate and give you a remark onto what can improve. ठीक है, and just remember that this is a basic overview about what graphic designing is. ठीक है, graphic designing is something which cannot be learned in 7 days, which I have been repeating since the start. It is just an overview about what how the Photoshop works and what can be made using graphic designing. ठीक है, so we'll consider this as a basic kind of an introduction towards graphic designing. ठीक है, the entire course is on the GFX Mentor website, and I mean the YouTube channel. You may refer to that. And the only thing to learn graphic designing is through research and observation. ठीक है, so for instance, I'll just show you my Instagram. Alright, so basically now you may consider this one as well. ठीक है, so there are a lot of blogs in this. ठीक है, यहाँ पे creativity के लिए ideas आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, you may consult up a blog or something. You may consult a YouTube video. ठीक है, you may consult the brands, what are they preaching, what are they doing. You may consult the kind of good society pages, the good kind of companies, the good kind of startups that are evolving right now. You may get a insight about how they are performing, what all is their strategy. ठीक है, how they are making good kind of graphics with such ease, and such kind of their content is selling. ठीक है, तो आप जितना ज़्यादा ऑब्जर्व करोगे, जितना ज़्यादा रिसर्च करोगे, एंड जैसे मैंने अभी आज ही कल मतलब इवन 3 days बिफोर आई मेड वन ट्यूटोरियल, एंड आई हैव बीन मेकिंग ट्यूटोरियल सिंस नाउ. ठीक है, सो यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस कि मैं सीधा एक रेफरेंस लेता हूँ, उससे रेप्लिकेट करता हूँ, एंड आई ट्राई कि मैं उस रेफरेंस से जो भी मैंने सीखा, I'll try to replicate and I'll try to implement that in my any of the posters which I'll be getting in future. ठीक है, so as you can just see, there are a lot of designs which can be just try करना कि you are able to differentiate between the kind of posters that are made on different platforms. Like as you can see, this has not been made on Photoshop. ठीक है, this has been made on Illustrator. ठीक है, this thing can be made on Photoshop, this one can be made on Photoshop. So it depends completely upon कि this can be made on Photoshop. ठीक है, तो it completely depends upon कि if you are able to differentiate between the things that are actually around, and how are you able to grasp the things, how are you able to identify that what kind of design it is. ठीक है, so illustration, it has shown that it is a illustration and cartoon poster design. ठीक है, so since it is a 2019 post, we won't be getting into this. ठीक है, I'll show you my saved section now. So now as you can see, there are a lot of posters in this. ठीक है, and मतलब you will get an idea after researching about the posters. This was the one which we recreated. Yeah, so sorry about that. Alright, so I had this one. So as you can see, there are a lot of posters which I have saved with me. ठीक है, there are a lot of designers that are existing in the market. ठीक है, I have mentioned about many of them in my presentation as well. ठीक है, and if I once you try to search a lot of uh, designers on Instagram, और if you don't want कि मेरे को ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए, मेरी feed अलग होती है, and I have a thing for my feed as well. ठीक है, so you may consult opening a fake account for yourself just for graphic designing. And not only opening a fake account as such, you may even create it as a I mean a kind of a page of your journey as well, that you have been recording as such, because one of our interns has been putting onto everything that he has actually made so far. ठीक है, so that I consider as something great, and he went an extra effort for himself, so we appreciated him a lot. ठीक है, So if tutorial is there in this is as such, so you may consult this as well. Okay, so this is a kind of a basic one. This is great. This one is actually really great. ठीक है, you may even make something like these. ठीक है, तो ये काफी efforts के बाद बनता है. ठीक है, and he has just placed and tried कि ये सारी चीजें mold हो जाए, and he has obviously used the 3D rendering as well, क्योंकि ये इतना ज़्यादा precision के साथ won't have been possible. And you may use a lot of and a variety of things. As you can see, this one is, I guess, Gento Lulika. I mentioned about his name. So as you can see, इसने carousel कैसे बनाया है, काफी innovative and काफी अच्छे बनाए हैं. And you have everything that can be done. ठीक है, so just try कि काफी ज़्यादा you may make. And this was one of the things that I saved for this is in Cinema 4D. This is also considered as a visual art. ठीक है, and I guess I had one more person who was actually making great graphics. Just a second. So this person has taken up a challenge of making posters on Blender. So as you can see, ki visual art. This is a visual art which has been made on a computer screen. So it is actually unimaginable and it is actually very great. ठीक है, as you can see this one as well and this too. ठीक है, सो जस्ट ट्राई कि विजुअल आर्ट से आप जैसे ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग शुरू करते हो, तो इफ यू आर गेटिंग इनटू दिस थिंग, जस्ट ट्राई कि आप विजुअल आर्ट के लिए एम करो. ऑल्दो इफ यू डोंट इवन हैव एन इंटरेस्ट फॉर दिस, यू मे इवन कंसिडर कैनवास प्री डिफाइंड टेम्पलेट्स एज वेल. बिकॉज जितना आप ज़्यादा रिसर्च करोगे, जितना ज़्यादा चीज़ों को समझोगे, उतना ही आपको यू विल बी गेटिंग अबाउट एन आइडिया. ठीक है, डू फॉलो द हैश टैग्स दैट आर देयर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. So as you can see, people are making these kind of massive structures and massive kind of a great things on Blender. Okay, so it will be considered as a, I mean, visual art. Other than that, there are a lot of things that you can do on this. And Instagram and Pinterest are the best kind of sources that you can ever have. ठीक है, just try कि आप research करो. ठीक है, and how to do the research has been mentioned by me in a research and uh, a research explanation Q&A, and you may refer to that. Okay, so let's come on to the point of today's video. So we are supposed to make this kind of thing. ठीक है, so I'll just try कि इसको मैं ज़्यादा short में ही करूँ. ठीक है, 5 मिनट का ही tutorial है. So I guess we can skip it up if you want. ठीक है, so I'll just watch this video once. ठीक है, and we'll try कि इसे हम बनाएं. So let's get the pre-text that we want. So I'll just write Steve Jobs. एंड आई ट्राई कि मेरे को एक हाई डिफाइंड इमेज मिले. ठीक है, मेरे को थोड़ा सा एक बैकग्राउंड भी चाहिए. आई डोंट थिंक दिस वन इज अ हाई डिफाइंड वन. Let's check if we get one. Hmm, so I'll just download it in the meanwhile and then we'll continue with this. Alright guys, so I have taken up an image of Steve Jobs. ठीक है, तो what I'm supposed to do is इसको मैं पहले एक बार black and white में convert कर लूँगा. If since it is already in black and white, but once for instance I'll be taking this into consideration and इसको black and white में convert कर देंगे ताकि better effect आए. ठीक है, so I'll be watching the video side by side and making the tutorial and giving you how to go about the things. So while making the poster, I'll be sharing what all things are to be done, and other than that I'll be sharing this video with you as well. Okay. Okay, so now he has asked us कि contrast को थोड़ा सा adjust करेंगे. ठीक है, so I'll go to contrast. Where it is, yeah. सो कंट्रास्ट को थोड़ा सा बढ़ा देंगे टू गेट अ बेटर लुक एंड ब्राइटनेस थोड़ी सी कम कर देंगे. ठीक है. ओके सो आई ऑब्जर्व द वीडियो अगेन. ठीक है. नीचे यहाँ पे देयर विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स क्रिएट न्यू fill और एडजस्टमेंट देयर क्रिएट अ न्यू ग्रुप. सो विल एडजस्ट द कंट्रास्ट इन दिस. ठीक है. आई विल गो फॉर कंट्रास्ट एंड उसके ऊपर एक क्लिपिंग सा बन जाता है. कंट्रास्ट को थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कर देंगे, ब्राइटनेस को थोड़ा